How to make your Brawl Stars run smoother. So the main place where we'll have to go is to our mobile settings. Now what we'll do here is to turn developer mode on. Now this may be different for some devices, but it will still be quite similar. To turn on developer mode, we'll go to our about phone over here, go to an option similar to all specs, and just press on anything that you want. In my case, it's the MIUI version, and you press this little square thing a few times. In my case, around 7, 1, and there we go. You are now a developer, it says here. Now we can go back to the main setting and go all the way down until we see additional settings. Over here, we'll go down a bit more again and find developer options. Now we'll have to find our graphics drive. So let's just scroll a bit until we find it. And here it is, our graphics driver preferences. Here we can select the graphics driver for a specific app. In our case, we'll be looking for Brawl Stars, which is just over here, and turn on the system graphics driver for Brawl Stars. Now once you restart your Brawl Stars again, your Brawl Stars should be running smoother than before. Now if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.